guys, welcome to my channel. So today I thought to create a small little Sunday vlog. There is nothing much to show because today's weather was really very clumsy and it was very beautiful, which made us very lazy. So that's the reason I'm creating this short little vlog for today. Hope you guys like it. So these are my new sunglasses from Lenskart, and आज बहुत जम के बारिश हुआ था सुबह से, बट सुबह से तो मेरा ख्याल नहीं था, बट दोपहर से बहुत ही ज़ोर से बारिश हो रहा था एंड अभी ड्रिजलिंग भी हो रहा है एंड ऑल्सो बाहर बहुत ही क्लाउडी मौसम है। हाँ, आज का संडे बहुत ही अच्छा जा रहा है। होपफुली ব্লগ করছি কি লাগে না, এটা ডেইলি ব্লগিং এর জন্য যথেষ্ট। দেখতে পাচ্ছে না তো তোমাকে। So I've recently got few pimples and there are few pimple marks still left here, over here and also on my forehead. So I'm trying to purchase some products from Amazon. Let's see. Right now I'm applying this lipstick. Okay, I'll show you just a moment. So I'm applying this lipstick from Westside. It's Studio West Disco Diva and the shade name is I think it's Disco Diva. Yeah, maybe. So I'll apply this, and last night I've applied this nail paint. I'll show you the color. So it's this shade from Faces. Just a moment. Yeah, this is from Faces Canada and the shade name is, okay, yeah, it's written over here. It's Pink Flamenco. So these are my nail polish collection. Okay, I realized that these two are, okay, no, they are different shades. So yeah, these are my nail polish collections and these are my everyday skincare, makeup, whatever you wanna call. Okay, yeah, these are all the stuff. And this is the product which I'm using on my acne. It's Wow Anti-Acne Face Serum, which control acne and also brighten the complexion. I'm not using it on my complete face. I'm just targeting on the areas wherein I have acne marks. So yes, you can use it twice daily under your moisturizer. Okay, so let me apply my lipstick.
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like your friend is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will we live forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, oh, I just gotta know.
Normal storeroom, you can consider that. So this is my entrance and this is the refrigerator and this is the normal storing place or kitchen, you can call it. So here I have kept 2 sanitizers and 1 Dettol and face wash. Whoever comes from here, they can wash their hands or sanitize. And I've kept this little Vim bar and this is Alda. Just whenever, every Thursday we married women supply it. And this is normal bathroom items and this to store warm water. These are all bathroom items. This my father-in-law, he got it from his office when we both were suffering from corona, and these are normally bathroom items. These okay, these 2 biscuits is still lying in my storage, I need to shift this to down kitchen, and these are two cups which we use every night to drink warm water, and this is little Oreo. Whenever we feel like eating, we eat it. And this is empty bottles. Once you're finished, we just keep it here and we take it down to fill in. And this is Surf Excel, Vim, and here there is a chicken soup and sanitizer. Whenever there is any product coming, we just sanitize the product first, then take it inside. That's the normal storage, uh, come kitchen, come whatever you wanna call it. Yeah. So we had biryani and chicken chop today from Haji Biryani. I exactly don't know which restaurant, but my husband has placed an order. I'll show you the picture over here, or you can see it later. So yesterday night we planned with my mother-in-law, like what we'll be having for lunch. So I thought that it's Sunday and let's order something from outside. That's how we ended up in purchasing or ordering a biryani. So yes, and please let me know you guys also what you had in your lunch. I'll just show you. Even my husband placed an order from Lenskart for computer classes. I'll show you just a moment. It's placed over here. So this is my husband's sunglasses, computer glasses, more or less same like me. Yeah. So we continuously work on our laptops, then our mobile phones, and then we read books. So I thought that these two are very much useful for us. I was creating a normal makeup look. Sorry, my husband is sleeping, so I'm not able to go to my bedroom. So yesterday I created a green eye makeup look. You can follow my channel, and also you can have a look on the video. If you guys liked it, then I can just try some more looks in that similar manner. Yes, so I just wanted to end this vlog right now, because I have nothing much to say, nothing much interesting, because it's partial lockdown in Kolkata and we are all home. So yes, hope you guys liked today's vlog, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Hope you liked this short little video. If you did, then please pass your comments, like the video, share with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye bye.